Hello and welcome to the daily number workout for third grade. Today we are on the number 20. So let's start off. Hopefully you're all done with yours and you're just checking your work. So we're going to start off with the word form 20. And deciding on whether it is even or odd, we look at the ones place and it's a 0. So that would be even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even. All right, let's move on to our next, which is factors. So what times what would equal 20? Well, 120 makes 20. 2 goes in because it is even. 2 tens make 20. 3 does not go in because it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, passes it right up. 4 goes in. 4 5s make 20. So if I have 4 nickels, I would have 20 cents. And then I look here and there's nothing in between 4 and 5, so I am done. So over here, we're going to write 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5 are our factor pairs. All right, because this number has more than 1 in itself as its factors, there's 6 total, then it is not prime, not prime. All right, let's go on to addition. And this should be pretty simple. 20 plus 1 equals 21. 20 plus 2 equals 22. 20 plus 3 equals 23. 20 plus 4 equals 24. 20 plus 5 equals 25. 20 plus 6 equals 26. 20 plus 7 equals 27. Let me move my paper up here. I'm gonna run out of space. 20 plus 8 equals 28. 20 plus 9 equals 29. And 20 plus 10 equals 30. So that's pretty easy moving right there. Lucky for us. This is our simple one. Whenever we have anything ending in 0, boy, that spells easy. All right, let's go our subtraction. So we always start with the last number we had here in our answer. So 30 minus 20 equals 10. 29 minus 20 equals 9. 28 minus 20 equals 8. 27 minus 20 equals 7. 26 minus 20 equals 6. 25 minus 20 equals 5. 24 minus 20 equals 4. 23 minus 20 equals 3. 22 minus 20 equals 2. And 21 minus 20 equals 1. There we go. And hopefully you'll see patterns in all that we do so that you're making it easy on yourself no matter what. And let's go on to multiplication. Now, multiplication is really easy with the number 20 because basically we're just multiplying the front end and adding a 0. So on this one, 1 times 2 is 2 with a 0. Of course, 1 times 20 is 20. Then 20 times 2. So we're going to multiply 2 times 2 is 4 with a 0. So it would be 40. Let's go on to the next one. Oops, I'm sorry. This is times 3. No erasing, just right over it. 3 times 2 is 6 with a 0. So that would be 3 20s is 60. 20 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8 with a 0. So 4 20s would be 80. 20 times 5 equals 5 times 2 is 10 with another 0 is 100. So 5 25s or 20 nickels equal $1. 20 times 6 equals, so 6 times 2 is 12. Add the 0. 120. 20 times 7 equals front end. 7 times 2 is 14. Or 2 sevens is 14. Add a 0. 20 times 8. 2 eights is 16 with a 0, 160. So 8 20s is 160. 20 times 9. 9 times 2 is 18 with a 0. So 9 20s is 180. And then last but not least, 10 20s would be 200. That would be 1 times 20, which is 20 with a 0. All right, looking good. Now remember, these are all multiples of 20. So basically we're counting by 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and so on. Those are multiples of 20, but they also are the answers to a multiplication problem, which is a product. All right, let's move on to our measurement for today with the number 20. So our first measurement is our standard form linear measurement, which is inches, feet, and yards. So we have 20 inches today because that's the number of today. And we know it takes 12 inches to make a foot. So we're going to put that over 12 because we're working with our fractions now, getting good with fractions. We know this is an improper fraction, so we can tear it apart. So we're going to make it into 12 whole feet. So there's 1 whole feet. And then if we take 12 away from the 20, it would be, oops, I'm sorry, that should be an addition sign, 8 over 12. So 8 plus 12 is 20. So we're done there with our addition problem. We're going to circle this one because that's 1 whole. So we can write 1 whole and 8/12 feet. So we know we have 20 inches, which is the same as 1 8/12 foot. And then we have 20 out of 36. So we have 20 36 of a yard because it takes 36 inches to make a yard. All right, let's go on to metric system with centimeters, decimeters, and meters. So we're going to do the same. We're going to be working with our fractions. So we're getting a little bit of a workout on playing with numbers with measurement and fractions. So let's go on. 20 centimeters equals, well, we know it takes 10 centimeters to make a decimeter. So we're going to put 20 over 10, which is an improper fraction. We're going to break that apart. So we have 10 over 10 plus what's left over. We take 10 away from 20. We got 10 more over 10. So in this one, we have 10 plus 10 is 20. So we're done. We have 2 whole decimeters. So this is 2 whole decimeters. Boom. Looking good. So 20 centimeters equals 2 decimeters, which equals 20 over 100 meters, not quite 100. So we have 20 hundredths of a meter. And we are done with our number workout, playing with the number 20. I hope you have a great day. See you for the number 21.